Neuroscience and free will. Neuroscientific research has made significant strides in understanding the neural processes associated with decision-making. Studies using brain imaging techniques, such as fMRI and EEG, have identified patterns of brain activity that precede conscious decision-making. Scientists use special tools, like brain scanners, to study how the brain works. These tools help them see which parts of the brain are active when people make decisions or do things. For example, imagine you have a magic window that lets you see inside a friend's brain while they decide what game to play. The scientists use their brain scanners like this magic window to understand what's happening inside our heads when we make choices. Libet's experiments. Benjamin Libet, a scientist, did a cool experiment in the 1980s. He asked people to move their fingers whenever they felt like it and noted the time when they decided to move. He also measured their brain activity. For example, think of a time when you decide to raise your hand in class. Libet's experiment is like a super-fast camera taking pictures of your brain while you decide to raise your hand and actually raise it. What he found? Libet discovered that the brain's activity started before people were aware of deciding to move. This made scientists think that our brains might start getting ready to do something before we consciously decide to do it. Libet's experiments made scientists curious about how our brains work with our choices. It challenges the idea that we are always fully aware of and in control of our decisions. It challenges the traditional notion of conscious free will.